I'm suffering with some issue. Not me, but absolutely me, because my MacBook has issue. So I'm gonna suffer, right? Definitely. So that's like a very weird, worst, and I never experienced this type of issue at any point on any laptop. Sorry, we can't say laptop. So we paid extra for Apple products. We have to call them MacBook, not a laptop. MacBook, because we paid extra, right? So like it's a premium product. Apple, they will present themselves and they will promote themselves very premium. So and their naming, everything is like very premium. Of course, they are very serious in their products. They are very serious with their job. They will make some insane tech products. Each and every product is like top notch without any doubt. But for my MacBook, I got some issue. Definitely, I have a love and hate relationship always with Apple. When I bought my iPhone, I got some issue. Like that's the issue from my side, not from the Apple or software something. So I made a mistake. So regarding that, I faced that issue. But right now I can't disclose that, but always something will happen. I purchase some Apple products, definitely it's going to be something wrong will happen. After some time those gonna clear without any doubt. Of course, they are products, right? Not your life. If something goes wrong, again we can't take it back. Products, always we can make it always back to their position. So here's the issue on my MacBook. So I have two issues. I found two issues that's both are very weird, very worst, nasty weird. The first issue, so I spot one brown dot behind my screen. You're not getting my point, right? Let me show you. Brown spot here. Yeah. This is the spot. Are people are able to see or not? Exactly, no idea. Let me zoom in. Zoom. Yeah, you can see, right? So this is a spot. It's not on the screen. So that's the spot. So where it's exactly behind the screen and not on, like not on the monitor. It's not from outside, but it's somewhere behind the screen. So how can some dust go into the screen? How it's possible? No idea at all, man. No idea. So there is no damages, nothing, but the spot went somehow. So we have to make it clear, like within 6-7 months the product gonna expire from warranty. So if something goes wrong and the product, there is no warranty for Apple products, we have to pay lot of money. That's gonna affect on our pocket. We have to pay lot of money because Apple, they promote premium even in the terms of service. While buying, you have to put some extra and large amount of money. After something goes wrong also, definitely you have to face that in premium style, typical Apple style. So we have to clear our issues or whatever the issues, like from the software, either hardware, whatever, we have to clear out before warranty expire. That's gonna be no charge, right? At least for 1 year. If you are a too premium, you can buy Apple Care, which cost like half of the amount somewhere iPhone like that. So that's like a too costly. Like we will maintain around 2 years one phone, or 3 years max. So after that we are gonna change our phones at any cost. Why we want to buy that? Apple Care. Of course, if you have a lot of products, Apple products, I have only 2 products, MacBook and iPhone. I'm planning to get watch and AirPods. So Apple ala ecosystem loki lageskuntaru kada. So that's how they make their products. Of course, they are very serious in their job here. Definitely they are very serious. They make some insane tech products with great quality level, and the software experience is like exceptional, amazing, man. Anyway, we'll get back to the issue. So I called Apple customer care regarding this issue. So I spot some issue and they asked me to share my screen with some help of software, and customer care end shared and check out everything from with the help of screen sharing option. But even they are not able to see. So I got to know that's the issue, not any about the pixel or software. So no pixels are damaged, but that issue is like from the outside, so can't touch or we can't clean. So it's like behind the screen, like back to the screen, which we are not able to touch and clean. So this is like a small particle type of dust which went under the screen. There is no damage, nothing, but how some small dust can went under the screen, it's like something wrong. How it can go and travel throughout the from screen ending to middle of the screen, literally some dust particles. So how can it go, man? The whole 4 sides was closed, how it can be happen. Definitely something wrong with the quality of Apple product in the making. So by that I called customer care, right? These people told me to take the MacBook to the service center. And the second issue, I'm getting the same update again and again regarding Final Cut Pro, so like which I use for moreover editing. So the same supplemental update in the sense, so in that update you're gonna get a bunch of sound effects and some text effects, whatever. So these type of effects gonna install on the software. So in the same update with the same MB with the same title, again and again I'm getting the same update each and every week. If I install on one Sunday, after next Sunday I'm gonna get the same update here. That's like literally weird, and I will show you that. Wait. So in the settings, if you open the software update settings, you can see here, right? So updates are available for your Mac, and this update is belongs to Final Cut Pro X supplemental content 1.0. So the same update here again and again, which is irritate part. So these are the issues. I want to make it clean before end of my warranty. Of course there is a lot of time, but we have to clear, right? It's like gadgets. If something goes wrong, if suppose warranty was not claimed, our pockets gonna kill chincha avutale asar man pockets ni. So by that, let's go the Apple store, Apple service center. I have a slot around 10:30 I think so, 10 to 10:30 in the between. Let's start. కష్టపడి వర్కౌట్ చేస్తే మా అమ్మ ఏమో కష్టపడి ఇలా చేసి పెడుతుంది. చికెన్ దోశ అవురే, చికెన్తో కూడా ఇష్యూ కాదు, ఈ దోశతోనే ఇష్యూ. ఇండియన్ బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ డెఫినెట్లీ మేక్స్ యూ లిటిల్ బిట్ ఫ్యాట్. మాస్క్ మర్చిపోయా. డన్. Of financial district Nanakramagooda. So this is the most recommended petrol here after Shell, so called Nayara. This was literally too good petrol. You can feel the smooth while driving or while riding. Most recommended. If anyone people are like staying around Nanakramagooda, definitely recommended. You got better fuel than anyone in the city. So the only fuel we got better in Shell. So after Shell, this is the only better, like best fuel in India currently. So we got Shell only in Uppal. After Uppal there is no Shell petrol pumps. So finally in like limits of city, high-tech city, we got Nayara. So we can enjoy our driving experience with this petrol pump. Definitely. So check out once. You got a chance. Day by day Hyderabad becoming pro in traffic here, literally pro. It's going to next level because this high-tech city is feeding for a lot of people here. It's makes little bit proud being a Hyderabadi. At the same time, when we hit this type of traffic, it's gonna be irritate part.
see what I spot in Ducati showroom. The beast Ducati Monster 950 or 937, whatever you call. It looks too compactor, and that limited edition. There's a slide, fast house. Only 800 units are there in the world, and one of them here. Just switch to slow motion with music. Enjoy these Italian beauties. My mom with Dwamsam.
Let me show you something. The same. దాన్ని ట్రెడిషనల్ అనాలా, కల్చర్ అనాలా, లేకుంటే చాదస్తం అనాలా. So done with our work of the day. So they told me within a week they will give back my MacBook with a new monitor. So they can't replace or clean that exact particular screen or monitor. So they have to change the whole part. They have to get the whole part. So before that they have to check from their end, is it damaged physically or something goes like without wrong of particular owner or person of MacBook. After that, if nothing goes wrong, they will change that whole part in warranty, which is like for zero cost. I'm expecting, hope it will be recovered in warranty itself. If it is not in warranty, it's not gonna happen. Definitely I'll fight with Apple. So of course Apple products are very reliable, but for the first time this type of issue I'm facing in the MacBook. So let's see and get clear out of that. So I think so I can't post for next 1 week any videos because there is no MacBook, no editing. How can I do that? So, and again I want to attend some of my friend's marriage in Bangalore. So that's the thing, guys. After coming, I'm gonna upload the vlogs back to back. Keep smiling, take care amigos. Chalo, bye.